Hi everyone, my name is Ryan and today I'm going to share how I built my Amazon PPC freelancing business after years of experience as a freelancer. I've been freelancing since 2009 in various roles, but PPC wasn't on my radar until 2017. That year, I applied for an e-commerce listing position but ended up lucking out in the interview. When they found out I had a knack for marketing, they connected me with their PPC manager. I saw it as a great opportunity to learn, even though I had zero experience in PPC at the time. A few days later, I got a job offer to join their small 2-person PPC team. Over the next 3 years, we grew the department substantially, training a team of 15 in the US and South America. I helped our Argentinian counterparts get up to speed, teaching them the ropes of Amazon PPC from scratch. Those years were so valuable, giving me the hands-on experience I needed to specialize in Amazon PPC. After deciding to pursue freelancing full-time again, I leveraged my expertise to quickly land clients and scale my business. Today, I'm thriving as a freelancer, working with great brands doing what I love. Building a career in Amazon PPC has been an incredible journey full of challenges and rewards. I failed often and wanted to quit many times. But my passion and persistence kept me going, and all that hard work has paid off. If you're feeling discouraged in your PPC freelancing journey, don't give up. With dedication, you can absolutely do it too. If you want to learn more about Amazon PPC and freelancing, check out my course Amazon PPC Foundations here in Project Amazon. I share everything I wish I knew starting out. Thanks for watching and I wish you success on your journey.